India-US relations have undergone significant transformations since India's independence in 1947. From a tumultuous past to a present-day strategic partnership, the relationship has evolved through various phases. Early years, 1947 to 1960s. The United States and India had a rocky start. The US supported Pakistan during the Indo-Pakistani War of 1947, leading to India's disillusionment. India's non-aligned policy during the Cold War further strained relations. Improvement and deterioration, 1970s–1990s. The 1970s saw improved relations, with the US supporting India during the 1971 Indo-Pakistani War. However, the 1980s and 1990s witnessed a decline due to India's nuclear tests, US sanctions, and differing views on the Soviet-Afghan War. Post 9/11 and the nuclear deal, 2000s. The 9/11 attacks and the war on terror brought India and the US closer. The 2008 Indo-US nuclear deal marked a significant milestone, recognizing India as a responsible nuclear power. Strategic Partnership, 2010s present. The relationship has since blossomed into a strategic partnership, with cooperation in 1. Defense, joint military exercises, defense trade, and counterterrorism efforts. 2. Economy, growing trade, investment, and collaboration in areas like technology and energy. 3. Space *, joint space exploration and satellite launches. 4. Climate change *, collaboration on climate issues, clean energy, and sustainable development. 5. Education and culture *, increased student exchange programs, cultural events, and people-to-people ties. Challenges and opportunities. Despite progress, challenges persist. 1. Trade disputes *, ongoing trade tensions and protectionism. 2. Immigration *, H-1B visa restrictions and concerns about Indian professionals. 3. Regional security *, differing views on China, Pakistan, and the Indo-Pacific region. Opportunities for growth exist in 1. Technology *, collaboration in emerging technologies like AI, 5G, and cybersecurity. 2. Energy *, partnership in renewable energy, oil, and gas. 3. Healthcare *, joint research and cooperation in global health initiatives. India-US relations have come a long way, transforming from a tumultuous past to a present-day strategic partnership. While challenges remain, the relationship holds immense potential for growth and cooperation, driven by shared values, economic interests, and geopolitical realities. Key milestones. 1. 2000 US President Bill Clinton's visit to India, marking a significant improvement in relations. 2. 2008 Indo-US nuclear deal, allowing India to access civilian nuclear technology. 3. 2010 US supports India's permanent membership in the UN Security Council. 4. 2016 India designated as a major defense partner by the US. 5. 2020 US-India 2+2 ministerial dialogue, elevating strategic cooperation. Areas of cooperation 1. Defense technology joint development of defense systems, like the F-21 fighter jet. 2. Space exploration collaboration on NASA's Artemis program and India's Chandrayaan missions. 3. Underscore cybersecurity underscore joint efforts to combat cyber threats and protect critical infrastructure. 4. Underscore climate change underscore cooperation on clean energy, sustainable development, and climate resilience. 5. Underscore education underscore increased student exchange programs, like the Fulbright Nehru Scholarship. Underscore challenges ahead underscore 1. Underscore trade protectionism underscore ongoing trade tensions and tariffs impacting bilateral trade. 2. Underscore immigration underscore restrictions on H-1B visas and concerns about Indian professionals. 3. Underscore regional security underscore differing views on China, Pakistan, and the Indo-Pacific region. 4. Underscore data localization underscore India's data localization policies and their impact on US businesses. Underscore future prospects underscore 1. Underscore deepening strategic partnership underscore continued cooperation in defense, space, and cybersecurity. 2. Underscore economic growth underscore increased trade, investment, and collaboration in emerging technologies. 3. Underscore global governance underscore joint efforts to address global challenges, like climate change and pandemics. 4. Underscore people to people ties underscore strengthening cultural exchange programs and educational initiatives. The India-US relationship has made significant progress, but it requires continued effort and cooperation to address challenges and seize opportunities for growth and mutual benefit. 2208, 1853, Mehta, A.I. Here is the continuation of the India-US relations explanation. Underscore India-US relations in the Indo-Pacific region underscore 1. Underscore Quad cooperation underscore India, US, Japan, and Australia collaborate on regional security, trade, and infrastructure development. 2. Underscore India US Japan trilateral underscore cooperation on regional security, defense, and economic issues. 3. Underscore ASEAN India US cooperation underscore joint efforts to promote regional stability, trade, and economic growth. Underscore India US economic relations underscore 1. Underscore trade and investment underscore growing bilateral trade, with the US being India's second largest trading partner. 2. Underscore Make in India underscore US companies investing in India's manufacturing sector, particularly in defense and aerospace. 3. Underscore Digital economy underscore cooperation on digital trade, e-commerce, and cybersecurity. Underscore India US people to people ties underscore 1. Underscore Indian diaspora underscore the US has a large and influential Indian American community, contributing to bilateral relations. 2. Underscore Education and research underscore growing student exchange programs, joint research initiatives, and academic collaborations. 3. Underscore Cultural exchange underscore increased cultural events, exhibitions, and performances promoting mutual understanding. Underscore Challenges and opportunities in India-US relations underscore 1. Underscore Managing differences underscore addressing disagreements on trade, immigration, and regional security. 2. Underscore Deepening cooperation underscore expanding collaboration in emerging technologies, space exploration, and cybersecurity. 3. Underscore Global governance underscore joint efforts to address global challenges, like climate change, pandemics, and economic inequality. Underscore Conclusion underscore India-US relations have transformed significantly, from a tumultuous past to a present-day strategic partnership. While challenges persist, the relationship holds immense potential for growth, driven by shared values, economic interests, and geopolitical realities. Continued cooperation and dialogue will be essential to address differences and seize opportunities for mutual benefit. 2208, 1853, Mehta, A.I. Here is the continuation of the India-US relations explanation, focusing on military exercises. India-US military exercises 1. Malabar exercise annual naval exercise between India, US, and Japan, promoting maritime security and cooperation. 2. Yudh Abhyas annual army exercise between India and US, focusing on counterterrorism and joint operations. 3. COPE India biennial Air Force exercise between India and US, enhancing aerial cooperation and interoperability. 4. Vajra Prahar Special Forces exercise between India and US, focusing on counterterrorism and joint operations. 5. Tiger Triumph humanitarian assistance and disaster relief exercise between India and US. Objectives of India-US military exercises 1. Enhancing interoperability improving joint operational capabilities and communication between Indian and US forces. 2. Promoting regional security addressing common security concerns, such as counterterrorism and maritime security. 3. Showcasing military might demonstrating the strength and capabilities of Indian and US armed forces. 4. Fostering strategic partnership strengthening the India-US strategic partnership through military cooperation. Benefits of India-US military exercises 1. Improved joint operations enhanced ability to conduct joint operations, including humanitarian assistance and disaster relief. 2. Increased cooperation strengthened military-to-military ties, promoting cooperation on regional security issues. 3. Capacity building opportunity for Indian forces to learn from US military expertise and technology. 4. Deterrence demonstrating the strength of the India-US partnership, deterring potential adversaries. Challenges and opportunities 1. Scaling up exercises expanding the scope and complexity of joint exercises to address emerging security challenges. 2. Incorporating new technologies integrating emerging technologies, such as AI and cybersecurity, into joint exercises. 3. Enhancing trilateral cooperation involving other countries, like Japan and Australia, in India-US military exercises. 4. Addressing regional concerns focusing joint exercises on addressing regional security concerns, such as counterterrorism and maritime security.